they're about halfway from here to the top, and they'll start falling off.
Water drop.
But yeah, there was 8 gallons there, but this is for the ones that get lazy. They just put it here. The big one is back another half mile. And there's probably normally 16 to 24 gallons back there.
Okay, BuildTheWallTV.com. We're a little ways up into this canyon, and this is a water drop. Tim says there's about 8 gallons normally there. Now there's 1. That's a humanitarian drop there. It's a little spring here where they would stop to cool off. You can see it's deep right there, and the water's clean.
This goes up and over, and where we're going to go to next, the trail, like I say, split. We're going to go to the other. This is like A, and we're going to go to B. Okay. And but across the road there's some cool ass history that you might want to see. Motherfuckers, about 100 and some odd years ago.
Okay, so he says this is drop A, and now we're going to go to drop B.
Just fucking stacked. Yeah. Whereas nowadays, I'm too tired, it's hot, Ready to go, Rocco? Now you're nice and cooled off?
You can see kind of the terrain here. Like here's the human trail coming down here. Water drop right here. There's another trail coming in right here. Cool zone. Now, like I said, I mean, you know, I've hiked and camped all around the mountains in Utah, and you know, this is pretty ample. Resources from the land, survival resources, lots of water back in here. And I asked him on the way up about the stream we were driving in. Said it pretty much runs all year round. So lots of water, contrary to popular belief.